everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vidhi, and firstly a very happy new year to each and every one of you who is watching me right now. And this video is kind of really special to me because 2024 was a hell of a ride. It was roller coaster, it was all over the place, and I was just very happy that 2024 finally khatam hua and we are on to new and bigger things. So isliye I thought to come up with a very cute little video which is going to be a little trip down the memory lane. So I am going to tell you and discuss what were my December favorites. Of be some recommendations for you so that you can also try them and let me know if you also like them or not. So हम बहुत सारे categories में इसको बांटेंगे and we will talk about each of these things in detail. So if you are excited, please keep on watching. So first things first, let's talk about movie/series. मेरे पास दोनों के लिए अलग-अलग recommendations है. First, let's talk about series. So a big disclaimer, I am not a series person because मेरे में इतना patience नहीं है to sit and watch back-to-back episodes. I do not do that. I am more of a movie person जिसको 2-3 घंटे में चीज़ें समझा दो तो मुझे समझ आ जाती है. बट अगर मुझे कोई सीरीज़ वैसे ही बहुत कम पसंद आती है, बट अगर मुझे कोई सीरीज़ पसंद आ गई तो वो मतलब मेजरली थ्रिलर, हॉरर एंड सस्पेंस जॉनरा की होती है. एंड दिस सीरीज़ इज़ आई थिंक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग सीरीज़ आई हैव वॉच्ड इन अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एंड द नेम ऑफ द सीरीज़ इज़ Grotesquerie. So it has 10 episodes on, and it is on Disney Plus Hotstar if I'm not wrong. And oh my dear Lord, Holy Mother of Cow, it was amazing. मतलब मेरे पास words नहीं है to describe how it is. And also like a quick disclaimer that it is kind of very dark. It has very gory scenes. It is violent. It is horror. It is suspenseful and whatnot. मुझे पर्सनली ये सीरीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. एंड आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इट वॉज वन ऑफ दो सीरीज़ जिसको मैंने पूरा बैठ के एक दिन में एंड आई थिंक 1.5 डेज़ में ख़त्म कर दिया बिकॉज इट वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. द एक्टर्स वर अमेजिंग. ऑल्सो इसके अंदर निकोलस अलेक्जेंडर चावेस भी है, this guy right here. So another reason to watch because he is an eye candy and of course he did very well in the series. Now let's talk about my favorite movie in December. So the thing is कि ये movies ऐसा नहीं है कि दिसंबर में रिलीज़ हुई है या फिर मैं अभी आपको जो भी चीज़ें बता रही हूँ ऐसा नहीं है कि वो दिसंबर में आई है. It's just that वो मेरे दिसंबर मंथ की फेवरेट थी. I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say here, okay? So let's talk about movies. So movies में I think again मुझे horror, suspenseful, thriller movies देखना बहुत पसंद है. So movies में I loved this movie called Strange Darling. It was on Amazon Prime and that is the only reaction I have. I'm not gonna spoil all of these movies and series for you because obviously अगर मैं spoil कर दूंगी then what is the point of watching it? So I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm just gonna say that if you love thriller, if you love horror, if you love suspense kind of genre, please go and watch this movie and this series. You won't regret it. Now let's move on to another category which is books. So as I have told you before also मेरी previous videos में that I am not a very big book lover. मतलब मैं intentionally और सोच समझ के खुद से कोई book नहीं पढ़ूंगी. I don't make such kind of decisions. I am more of a movie person as I have told you before. But अगर मुझे कोई book पसंद आई है दिसंबर में, मेरी बहन ने I think ये book मुझे recommend करी थी. She is like a huge book lover, novel lover. She has like a whole stack of books in her cupboard. तो उन्होंने मुझे recommend करी this book. Yes, this is Frederick Backman's Anxious People. इसके ऊपर एक Netflix series भी बन चुकी है. अब मैंने Netflix series देखी नहीं है. I don't know how it is. But ये book in particular she recommended to me and she was like, you should give it a read. And I was just taken aback. It will take you through a gamut of emotions. You will laugh, obviously. You will feel surprised because बहुत unexpected twist है इसके अंदर. You will feel pain कुछ chapters में. And in my case personally, मुझे थोड़ा time लगता है चीज़ों को समझने में, especially जब मैं ऐसी कोई book पढ़ रही हूँ तो more of a goldfish brain. तो तो मैं चीज़ें भूलती भी रहती हूँ बहुत जल्दी कि क्या हुआ था पिछली book में, पिछले chapter में and everything. So I read I read and I reread, some of these sentences in order to understand the depth and, the gravity of some of those sentences, because ye bahut, like, it is a full package. And I think if you are like me who reads book occasionally, like kabhi kabhi, so I think you should give this book a read, and I would rate it a solid 9 out of 10. Move on to another category which is also one of my favorites, and that is fragrances या फिर perfumes. I love perfumes and I do not leave my house without it. So I saw this amazing perfume which is Bloom by René. I got it from Nykaa. It is for 600 rupees you all, and I don't regret a single penny. Why? Because it is firstly a dupe of a 5,000 rupees perfume, which is this one. ये बहुत ज़्यादा famous है, I think, and I see this perfume everywhere on internet. But of course, I am not that mad to spend my hard-earned 5,000 rupees, on this छोटी सी bottle. So इसीलिए I searched and searched and searched, and I found this dupe जिसकी same fragrance है, and it is amazing. I love this. बहुत refreshing है, बहुत expensive smell है, and this is my December favorite, you all. I just love it, and I'm so thankful to Nykaa actually कि वो ये सारी चीज़ें stock में रखता है, because it is like a very, very worth it buy. Now let's move on to another category, that is makeup. So December May, finally I found one holy grail foundation that I think मुझे पहले मिल जाता तो मेरी लाइफ और easy हो जाती. And I've said this before, I think a lot of times कि इंडिया में despite of living in India, we do not have enough shade match for brown skin tone or dusky skin tones. तो मुझे हमेशा से ना दो foundations को mix करके ही लगाना होता था, because हमारे skin tone के लिए exact shade मुझे आज तक नहीं मिला. Mostly या तो वो बहुत dark हो जाते हैं या फिर वो बहुत light होते हैं, तो कभी नहीं मिल पाया मुझे. But finally I got this baby right here. This is the Mars foundation in the shade 7. Oh dear Lord, I love this. I think this is one of the perfect shade match जो मुझे मिला है. I cannot stress on the fact enough कि ये इतना easily spread होता है, इतनी high coverage है, and the shade match is impeccable. And now this is my holy grail. ये मैं जहाँ जाती हूँ उसको साथ में लेके जाती हूँ. And इसके साथ I have another thing which is Mars का ही cancel concealer. I'm so sorry. Cancel concealer. It is in the shade again 07 caramel charm, and both of these two things have become very, very essential for me. Now the another December favorite in this same hair care category is this right here. It is a hair mask by the company Love Beauty and Planet. It has argan oil and lavender in it, and it retails for 600 rupees. And oh my dear, I'm so sorry. Dear Lord, it is amazing. I think this is one of the best purchases in like the past 1 month that I've done for my hair, and my hair is like they're thanking me because ये बहुत efficient है when it comes to your hairs, when it comes to thin hair like me, because ये बहुत frizzy hair को एकदम सीधा कर देता है, glossy बना देता है. And I think especially if you live in Delhi, इतना pollution है जिसकी वजह से hair quality मेरी तो बहुत ख़राब हो गई थी in the past 2 to 3 months because of all of the pollution and dirt and dust, and मेरे split ends बहुत ज़्यादा थे, and I had a very the quality was deteriorating day by day, and that's why I decided कि मैं इसको use करूँ, and मैंने इसको use करा for 1 month. So basically after washing your hair with shampoo, you can apply it for 2 to 3 minutes, and that's all. It is going to do wonders for your hair, and मेरे लिए it worked a lot. Finally, we are at the end of the video, and it was a really special one for me to shoot because, as I said in the intro, that it was like a trip down the memory lane, and I loved discussing my December favorites favorites with you. अगर आपको लगता है कि ऐसी वीडियोस आपको पसंद आ रही है, इंटरेस्टिंग है, so please let me know in the comments and I can make this like a series maybe, like मैं January, February और आने वाले सारे months के favorites आपके साथ discuss कर सकती हूँ. And if you like this video, then please hit the subscribe button. It will help me a lot. And please hit that bell icon as well so that you get notified every time I post a video on YouTube. And yeah, तब तक के लिए a very happy new year to each and every one of you, and I'm gonna come back with another video really soon. Bye bye.